Birthday to you. May the good Lord bless 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 you. Ow.
Thank y'all.
Carla?
No, too hard to sing.
Oh,
Okay, you guys make a, say a prayer, make a wish.
I'm gonna do this slow mo.
Yeah.
Carla, happy birthday to you. God bless you. You live to see 27 years. And I love you, and I just thank you for the way you're taking care of your daughter. And I'm so thankful you got a good friend in your life and other friends, so that's a blessing. And I love him, and I love everybody here. And there's one thing I'm glad of you. You're doing a good thing with your daughter, and you're not ruining her, trying to make her know that learning how she got to have a designer thing. Wherever you see something you like for her, you buying it. She's a growing child, and buying all this expensive stuff. They're only gonna be in a minute. Don't make sense. And I'm glad the way you shop for you. I was looking nice, and you just do things normal. God bless you, and I love you. Just keep on being a good girl, and I love your friends, and I love you.
Love you too, Grandma.
Carla, you know I love you. You're my youngest baby girl. I call you my miracle baby in a way because I thought I was losing you, but you hung in there.
that's right.
And then you came here like a little mosquito fly, living up to your nickname. Always into something, daredevil, love, challenges. And just remember that God is still in control of everything. I like the way you like to do ministry and help kids and stuff. That's going to take you a long way when you always give back. Don't just, you hear me, girl?
Hey.
Just remember, your life is not just for you. It's to represent and help others. And I like the way you pass the torch to the younger generation the best you can. Love you with all my heart. Keep your feet on the ground. Keep reaching for what the stars God has for you.
I love you.
All right.
Proud of you, as always. Proud of, like, when you're raising your daughter. You're a good example. You stay focused. Proud of your boyfriend / fiance. So y'all keep it up. Y'all keep doing what you're doing. Like I say, good young man. Follow him as he follow Christ. Work y'all plan. Do what y'all have to do.
Yes, sir.
Give kind of good life. Yeah, love you. And keep up the good work.
Yeah, all right.
Carla, man, we just.
You just killed Dudley. It's by age. Dudley say it's showtime. It's showtime.
Dudley said got quiet, so hey.
It's all good. It's all good, boss. It's all good.
What's another time thing?
Oh, I thought it was
Lance. Just want you to know we love you and pray God's richest blessings on you today and always. I like your nickname, Eagle. Take the characteristics of the eagle and go far. The Lord Jesus Christ. Don't never try to leave him out. Don't try to do it your way. It's his way and nothing else. Just his way and nothing else. And we want you to continue to bring Connie up. Understand she came through you, but she's not of you. She's from the Lord, and it's important to be a good steward over her and do everything you can to bring her up the way that the Lord has instructed you to do. We love you, and we pray God's richest blessings upon you and always, for you always, now and forever, and love Tristan. Tristan, we thank God for you. We pray God's richest blessings on you as well.
Thank you. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Eagle, Karla.
Look fly.
Proud of you and happy to see you. You're 27. I can't believe it. And just, you know, like I said, I always say, y'all remind me a lot of myself at your age. And Like I said, I'm thrilled. Like you've heard everybody else say, I'm thrilled about the way that you raise time. And trying to be a good role model. And you try to be such a good person for so many people. You're a good auntie, good niece, you're a good daughter, a good granddaughter, you know, all of the above. We love you. And wish you many more.
Thank you. Appreciate it.
Happy birthday, Karla. You're one of my first secretary. That was my first secretary right there. My family used to iron my clothes, wash my stuff. I appreciate it. I made y'all some good girls.
Okay.
But we're proud of you and happy birthday on your 27th. And like everybody say, you and Tristan keep working y'all plan. Y'all do what y'all gonna do the right thing. Try to get together. Get your life going. Y'all doing a good job right now. Just keep up the good work. Like you say, keep God first and constantly in mind on doing whatever y'all plan is y'all trying to do in your life. And you know I'm very proud of you and we love you very much.
I'm older than you. You trying to squeeze on me? I give it to young crew. You old lady.
I thought it was under somebody. Well, happy birthday, Karla. I appreciate everything you do as far as the boys. I know they appreciate you as well. I know we ain't get to do a little nothing, but just let me know. I'll call out and we be there.
Hey, I'm going to.
What?
Oh,
But have a wonderful day. Wishing you many more.
thank you, Sanjay.
Right, Candice.
What? How old are you? Yeah.
Now don't play.
You know I have to keep it short and sweet. I get emotional. I love you, sister. Happy birthday.
I love you too, man. I'm playing with my sister.
Yes.
All right, Dudley, your turn.
Oh, all right. So this is the moment. All right. Now, Karla, man, we appreciate you. Just speaking, you know, for myself. Continue to keep being who you are. When Tree introduced me to you, I just knew that you guys was gonna click. And you guys keep up the good work. We all still young. All of us still young. We got more, you know, stuff to do. Just yes, a lot of life, a lot of different things. We're really excited that Constance is able to play with Trinity. You know, so I mean, we appreciate you and we thank you for letting her be a part of Trinity's life. And apparently, everybody's been saying just so much good stuff about you. You're a good friend to have, so we're gonna make sure whatever it takes, we're gonna keep you. But other than that, happy birthday, all right?
All right, Jess.
I'm really thankful for your friendship. I just love how you treat yourself. That's really inspirational. And we just thank you for always being so giving and thinking about Trinity and always creating play dates because I know any chance I get to rest, I take it. So just thank you for always being there.
All right, hit the coin.
Oh, me?
Oh, yeah.
Karla, you are an outstanding older cousin. I look up to you and I learned so much from you. See how you run around with these children and keep them in line. I don't always speak out, but when I do, I hope I kind of follow that type of leadership. But thank you for guiding me, telling me to keep focused. I hope you've had a great birthday and a great year. Hope you have another one. You're doing a good job at being a mother, and I wish you many, many more birthdays. Happy birthday.
All right, all right. Come on, Mr. Chris.
Come on, Chris.
Happy birthday, Carla. I love you.
I love you too. Thank you.
Happy birthday, Karla. Love you.
No cool.
She ain't cool?
Oh yeah, you cool.
I was about to say no cool.
Happy birthday, Karla. I love you. I love you too.
All right, Kamari.
Happy birthday, Karla. I had some chocolate, but I ate it all.
Gotta love it. Robin.
Happy birthday. Thank you, Robbie Boo.
Connie Boo.
Constance?
Happy birthday.
Miss Trinity.
Trinity.
Happy birthday.
Alright, then take over the camera for me. Let me tell her happy birthday.
Oh yeah, the cameraman got to say
I
happy birthday.
gotta say it. Alright, Karla, I just love you, alright? Like, you're the best thing that's happened to me. I admire you as a person. I admire everything about you. You're beautiful inside and out. You're smart, you're educated, you're a wonderful mother, and you're everything that I could ever hope for. Now, I know last year, I struck everybody nervous because I accidentally had to tie my shoe. I just want to assure everybody, I ain't making no accidents this year. With that being said, I love you. And I would love for you to be my wife for the rest of my life.
Hey!
Catch that on camera?
Yeah. Oh. Getting all of that.
It's okay, cuz.
It's okay, Carl.
You made me baby.
She okay, cause she happy to you.
Yeah.
All right.
Yay!
All right.
Oh yeah. Welcome.
We didn't hear the answer. We didn't hear an answer.
Uh-oh, come on.
Queen crying, I heard yes.
I ain't hear nothing yet. I'm mama. Mama got to hear it clear.
Mama got to hear it loud and clear. Yes. Oh, yeah.
Oh, I gotta find me a man.
Let me see your ring, girl. You know mama has to see your ring. Okay, now, Karla.
Hold your hand out, Karla. Welcome. 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 Yes.
Put a box down a little bit. Okay. I got an answer. Got something else in the book. Oh yeah, that's the stuff.
This is so sweet and special.
Yeah.
We gotta do it for the one time.
Connie.
Congratulations, guys.
Y'all making me get my
Okay, look like this.
Don't open it. You don't want to fall out. What is it? You all right, Miss Carter?
There's nothing.
Get Jess back there.
Wait, never mind. It's right here. It's right here.
She okay, she happy, cuz.
Yes.
That's sweet.
Hey.
Hey.
That's why he was like.
That's right.
Thank you. Hey, mama.
All right, let us see the ring.
Oh. Can I get somebody?
Yes, son.
All right, how you turn it off, Chris? How you turn it off? Oh, okay. Yeah, that's the marriage dance right there. Yeah, yeah.
I wasn't even hungry. I'm about to eat now.
I know, right? I'm trying to turn it off. Oh, okay. Oh.